I have 5 add-ons, extensions for Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Safari. How can I correctly recognize the user browser and redirect once an install button has been clicked? To download the corresponding add-on, Googling for browser reliable detection often results in checking the user agent string. This method is not reliable because it's trivial to spoof this value. I've written a method to detect browsers by duck typing. Only use the browser detection method if it's truly necessary, such as showing browser-specific instructions to install an extension. Use feature detection when possible. Demo https://jsfiddle.net/6spj1059/. Analysis of reliability. The previous method depended on properties of the rendering engine, moz box sizing and WebKit transform to detect the browser. These prefixes will eventually be dropped, so to make detection even more robust, I switched to browser-specific characteristics. Internet Explorer, JScript's conditional compilation up until IE9, and document mode, Edge, in Trident and Edge browsers. Microsoft's implementation exposes the Styler Media constructor. Excluding Trident leaves us with Edge. Edge based on Chromium. The user agent include the value Edge version at this index. Mozilla 5.0 Windows NT 10.0 Win 6.4 X6 for Apple WebKit 537.36K HTML Light Deco Chrome 80.0.3987.16 Safari 537.36 Edge 80.0.361.9 Firefox's API to install add-ons. Install Trigger Chrome, the global Chrome object, containing several properties including a documented Chrome.WebStore object. Update 3 Chrome.WebStore is deprecated and undefined in recent versions. Safari, a unique naming pattern in its naming of constructors. This is the least durable method of all listed properties, and guess what? In Safari 9.1.3 it was fixed. So we are checking against Safari Motonotation, which was introduced after version 7.1. To cover all Safaris from 3.0 and upwards, Opera. Window.Opera has existed for years, but will be dropped when Opera replaces its engine with Blink Plus V8 used by Chromium. Update 1. Opera 15 has been released. Its UI string looks like Chrome, but with the addition of OPR. In this version, the Chrome object is defined, but Chrome.WebStore isn't. Since Opera tries hard to clone Chrome, I use user agent sniffing for this purpose. Update 2. Window, Opera and OPR.add-ons can be used to detect Opera 20 Plus Evergreen. Blink, CSS.supports was introduced in Blink once Google switched on Chrome 28. It's of course the same Blink used in Opera. Successfully tested in Firefox 0.8 to 61, Chrome 1.0 to 71, Opera 8.0 to 30 for Safari 3.0 to 10.6, 11 Edge 20 to 42 Edge Dev 80.0.361.9 updated in November 2016 to include detection of Safari browsers from 9.13 and upwards, updated in August 2018 to update the latest successful tests on Chrome, Firefox and Edge. Updated in January 2019 to fix Chrome detection because of the window.chrome.webstore deprecation, and include the latest successful tests on Chrome. Updated in December 2019 to add Edge based on Chromium detection based on the Nimesh comment.